Let's look at Article 13.3, okay, of the India-Netherlands Treaty. This deals with ships or aircraft operating in international traffic. We're not talking about the income which a company may get from operating ships or aircraft in international traffic. That is something which is covered by Article 8. But what we are looking at is if these ships or aircraft which were operating in international traffic are sold, right? And there are certain capital gains which arise. How would the taxation of those work in the present case? Gains from the alienation, common words we've looked at earlier, not getting into the details of explanation. But the gains from the alienation of ships or aircraft operated in international traffic, right? We're not talking about all ships or all aircraft. It is only the one which are operated in international traffic or movable property pertaining to the operation of such ships or aircraft. So if you sell the ships operating in international traffic, if you sell the aircraft operating in international traffic, or you sell movable property pertaining to the operations of ships or aircraft which are operating in international traffic, this is where you are taxed. But if these ships or aircraft are operating in domestic traffic and these are transferred, then it is not covered as a part of Article 13.3. But if it is any of these three items, then the gains which arise from their alienation shall be taxable only in the contracting state in which the place of effective management of the enterprise is situated. So if I am an enterprise owning these ships or aircraft, then whichever country my effective management is, the place of effective management is, that's the country where these capital gains will be taxable. So if I have to summarize, what are the provisions? If the following are operating in international traffic, which is either a ship or an aircraft, or a movable property pertaining to the operation of such ships or such aircraft, these are taxable under Article 13.3. And in which country are they taxable? They are taxable in the contracting state where the poem or the place of effective management of the enterprise is situated.